Meet a young man named Talu. He was an excellent swimmer who loved exploring the vibrant depths of the ocean. During the trip to the lake with his friends, Talu held his breath for too long underwater and struggled to resurface. This experience made him realize that not having a financial plan was like holding his breath underwater, and people without a plan could struggle to stay afloat in an uncertain future. Talu resolved to make a plan for his financial future and urged others to take action as well. Don't hold your breath any longer. It's time to start planning. Click the link below to start planning today.